It's so cold. Hello, everybody. I know what you're thinking. What am I doing with my bag and my puffy jacket coming in here and sitting down and talking to you? Well, I'm going to tell you what I'm doing. I'm coming here to discuss our new kits. And we're super excited because it's our second time doing my edits. And we're going to go through them right now. I'm going to tell you exactly what they are and what we're excited about and how you can purchase them. So this first one is, to me, I curated it as the ideal travel outfit. We have everything that you would need for cozy flights, sightseeing, our lifestyle out and about outfit. Comes in a pretty bag. This is the travel bag. You have the trolley. We like this at Fabletics. It's for the trolley. Who calls it a trolley but people in England? There's the bag, and then inside of this bag comes this turtleneck, which is super soft. We love it. A great layering piece. And then it comes with this puffer. I'm really excited about all of our puffers. They're super comfortable. They're not bulky. They're very warm. The cut on them is beautiful because they're nice and boxy without making you feel heavy in any way. They're super flattering. And then you have the cinch waist, which is a nice little touch. But I just love this. I just think you could wear this with everything, and it's just super cozy. It's perfect for any weather too, I think, around this time. And then the jogger. We got the comfy, cozy. I like wearing them kind of high, but if you want, you can wear them low. They've got pretty pocket, and they're super cozy. Again, great for flights, great for just walking around, even for a hike. And then you get the little hat with the pom-pom on the top, which is this guy. And that's so cute. This one, I love this color. And then I have a feeling we might be coming out with some other colors on our Fabletics side. Okay, so our next kit is personally, I mean, as we start getting into more lifestyle and more outerwear, I get really excited. And this in particular, I loved this. So we created our travel shop, and the travel shop we called Life on the Go. It's inspired by the fact that my life is really on the go all the time. So how do we incorporate our athletic wear and our active wear and our lifestyle all into one little fun area, one shop? And so with this kit, this one in particular, I got really excited because I love a fleece. And so let's pretend like I'm going into my bag because I was traveling and I was like, oh my God, I needed something cozy and I'm gonna work out and then I want like a cozy fleece to go over it. Well, I'm going to wear my ribbed navy seamless outfit. Now, I think the people who know me and know me inside of this community know I love a seamless. I'm kind of a sucker for high-waisted seamless. And these are amazing. They're a little thicker because they're ribbed, so they're really good for this time of year, and they feel amazing. They're buttery and soft and gorge. I also chose for these kits to do a nice dark navy because I think it's a great color for the season. Goes with a lot of different things. And then my favorite part of this is this guy to go over it. So you got the half zip, cozy fleece, feels amazing. You're gonna love it. And you know, you can wear this with all other kinds of things. Even my joggers that I have on now if you decided to buy both kits. I also like the navy and the green together, which was one of the things that we talked about instead of black. Then I'm really excited about this one. I feel like we could take responsibility for this new word called slouch. It's loungewear and sleepwear all in one. This is our slouch kit. And we did something really new, really fun. We decided to go crazy and do a little magenta, velvety, sleep, hang out around the house outfit. And it's so cute. And they feel amazing. I'm gonna shoot some pictures in it so everyone can see what it looks like on. And so we did this little outfit, and also this is just for all the girls who love some value, right? You can wear this under a blazer if you want. You could wear this. You can, this is quite versatile. Then we have our cable knit thigh-high sock that goes with our little outfit, so cute. Our little slouch kit, and then we have a little robe to go with it. It's super soft. It's got a great little hoodie, and this whole little situation looks really cute. I feel like this one will be quite popular. Hopefully they're all popular, but I feel like this is new for us and fun for us, and you're gonna love. So those are our kits. I should say that, and this is exciting, this is the great thing, and the reality of we do very limited editions of these, so they sell out really fast, which is great and fun. That's part of why we love doing it. So welcome to my Life on the Go shop, and it's featuring my edits. It's got 3 kits this time. It's the second time we've done the edit. The last time the edit sold out in 2 days. So we're super excited about this one. I've curated everything that you could possibly need for your holiday travel, and beyond holiday, but for your holiday travel, and it's all in these 3 kits.